today I'm going to talk about plain grinding, and not so much about polishing, but plain grinding. In this case, it's a relatively large welding. It's irregular in shape. It's difficult to clamp in a holder. It's too big to mount as well. So the only solution that I have is to do it manually. And manual grinding requires skills, experience. It's cumbersome for wrist, handles and arms, etc. And over many years it will be not so good for the operator. I will start the machine. This is a relatively rough silicon carbide surface with water. I put down the sample. I will hold it down for half to 1 minute, depending on, of course, to get a completely flat surface. If I lift up the sample, I will have the risk, or it will be very difficult to place it down in the same position, and therefore the reproducibility and the ongoing process will be difficult. I will lift it up, look at it, and see if it's completely flat on the whole surface. And it is completely flat now, so I can stop the machine. And to replace this manual grinding process, we have today a holder called the flexible specimen holder. And using this on a semi-automatic system makes it possible to grind samples easily without using hands or anything. All the parameters, the force, time, everything is controlled in the system. So what I do is I take my sample, I place it here on the grinding surface, I lower the holder, make sure that the holder covers the complete sample, and then I press start, and the grinding process will begin. It will give you the same result over and over again, and you are not in any way strengthened in your arms and hands, and you will have a reproducible preparation. I will now stop the holder, it lifts up. I can look at my sample. Make sure that I have a fully grinded surface on the whole area.